Hi everyone, here's a short video to show you how to find the link to share for your ePortfolio and how to share it publicly. So first we go to ePortfolio. Then you find your portfolio, and in this drop down box where you would normally go to edit, you will see that there is a share button. So click on share. You can ignore this right up here. What I want to show you is right here. Please check this box to allow public viewing of presentation, and that way we can all see it. Also, when you go to post a URL, this is your URL right here to share with everybody. So just copy that and give that to us. And that's all you have to do. Thanks.